Good morning, all. I hope everybody is well, fit, and fine. Today, we are going to discuss the part 2 India Climate, Vegetation, and Wildlife presented by Mrs. Rohini Sharma. So, firstly, natural vegetation. The grasses, shrubs, and trees which grow on their own without interference or help from human beings are called natural vegetation. Due to varied climatic conditions, India has a wide range of natural vegetation, thorny and mangrove forest. Types of vegetation. The vegetation of India can be divided into 5 types: tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, thorny bushes, mountain vegetation, and mangrove forest. Tropical rainforest. They are found in the areas which receive heavy rainfall. Many species of trees are found in this forest. They shed their leaves at different times of the year. They are called evergreen forest. Important trees are mahogany, ebony, and rosewood. Tropical deciduous forest. They are also called monsoon forest. Trees of these forests shed their leaves at a particular period of time. Important trees are sal, teak, peepal, neem, and sesam. Thorny bushes. They are found in the dry areas of the country. The leaves are in the form of spines to reduce the loss of water. Important trees are cactus, kaner, babool, kikar, etc. Mountain vegetation. Most of the trees are conical in shape. Thus, they are called coniferous trees. They are cheer, pine, and deodar. Mangrove forest. These forests can survive in saline water. Sundari is a well-known species of trees. Mangrove forests are found in Sundarbans in West Bengal and in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Here is Sundari trees of Sundarbans. Why are forests necessary? Trees provide us oxygen, fuel, wood, wood, medical plants and herbs, lac, honey, gum, honey, sports, goods, furniture, fruits, gum, lac, habitat for wildlife, timber, rubber, etc. As we know that forests are home to a variety of wildlife, so we will see the Asiatic lions, elephants, leopard, birds such as our national bird, etc. Clear? So this is called about the wildlife. Wildlife. Forests are home to a variety of wildlife. There are thousands of species of animals and a large variety of reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds, insects, and worms which dwell in the forest. The tiger is a national animal. It is found in various parts of the country. Gir Forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions. Elephants and one-horned rhinoceros are found in Assam. Elephants are also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Camels and wild ashes are found in the Great Indian Desert and Rann of Kutch. Wild goats, snow leopards, bears, etc. are found in the Himalayan regions. Beside these, many other animals are found in our country such as monkeys, wolf, jackal, nilgai, cheetal, etc. Due to cutting of forest and hunting, several species of wildlife of India are declining rapidly. In order to protect them, many national parks, sanctuaries and biosphere reserves have been set up. The government has also started Project Tiger and Project Elephant to protect these animals. Peacock is a national bird. Migratory birds. Some birds such as pintail duck, curlews, flamingo, osprey and little stint migrate to our country in winter seasons every year. Smallest migratory bird, little stint, weighing as low as 15 gram from Arctic region, travel over 8,000 km to reach India. This is all about your migratory birds. Let us have some exercise which you can do it yourself. So, thank you all. This is all about the part 2 India Climate and Vegetation. I hope you all like it.